Hey everybody, so got some bad news. The day after I did the video of the 2009 Mustang GT California Special white car, if you go in my videos it should be in there. I'll probably link it into this video. I was sitting at a stoplight and a lady who decided it was more important to pay attention to her phone and not to driving rear-ended me at the stoplight. I've already ordered parts for it, talked to insurance companies, of which she did not have an insurance company, so she was uninsured motorist. But that's the damage that was done. I've already got a replacement bumper cover, bumper reinforcement for it. I went to the local pick and pull junkyard and pulled one off another car. It does have some damage in the frame area here, but it looks worse than it is. That's actually pretty fixable, and a little bit down over there, but that'll all pull out when I pull this, and I'll be doing a video on that too. And I already have a new bumper cover. This is the old one. You can see the damage. It actually, now this is for me, but I nicked it pretty good. It damaged it right here. It actually broke the bumper cover right there. Broke it right here. Damaged it pretty good there. I mean, if it was a painted bumper cover, meaning that even this part was painted, just the GT bumper, I would have fixed it. But being that this is just raw plastic down here, you can't fix that. At least I wouldn't want to fix it. This car's too nice to try and cob something up. So you can actually see it's where her license plate was, where she hit me. And actually, with these bumper covers, even though I got a factory cover, it doesn't come with, this is the mounting bracket that sits inside the back of the bumper cover, and then this bolts to the car. So it actually doesn't come with that. And then this is also the loom for the license plate light and the side marker lights. And luckily we haven't, I hadn't replaced the exhaust system yet. I was getting ready to do a muffler delete on it, but she hit me before I got a chance to do it, and I don't know if it's still, it did actually scuff my pipes a little bit here, but like not anything, it didn't bend anything. Like my brackets are all good and everything like that. But yeah, fun. So I'm getting ready to paint a bumper cover, and I'm going to paint that reinforcement, and then I'll have to do some paint work underneath. And then there's a couple of spots bubbling underneath the hood, and I'm going to fix those and paint those all at the same time. So I'll get it all painted all at the same time, and then hopefully it'll be good to go. And I just got to put it back together.